In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with GitHub. Whether you're managing a team of developers or simply trying to streamline your personal workflow, connecting these two powerful tools can significantly boost your productivity. Let's dive right in and explore the process step by step. First, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Notion Sign Up if you don't have an account, or Notion Login if you're already a user. It's crucial to ensure you're set up and logged into your Notion account before proceeding with the integration. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. This is where you'll start your setup journey. Next, within your Notion workspace, you want to locate and click on Settings and Members. It's often found in the sidebar or under a drop-down menu in the top right corner, depending on your user interface. From there, you'll notice an option titled My Connections. This is where Notion allows you to manage integrations with other applications, including GitHub. Now that you're in My Connections, look for the GitHub option. You should see GitHub listed among other potential integrations. Select GitHub and then click on the Connect button. At this point, you might encounter a prompt asking you to upgrade to a business plan, especially if you're on a free or lower tier plan, as this feature can sometimes require enhanced access available in higher tier plans. If this is the case, assess your needs and choose an appropriate plan before proceeding. With that sorted, it's time to follow the prompts to complete the integration process. Notion will guide you through a series of steps to link your GitHub account. This will typically involve authorizing Notion to access your GitHub, which is a standard procedure to ensure security and privacy. Carefully follow each step, allowing the necessary permissions for a seamless connection. Don't worry, these permissions are required to ensure that Notion can properly retrieve and organize the information from your GitHub repositories. Once you've completed these prompts, take a moment to verify that everything is working as it should. You can do this by creating a test page in Notion and checking if relevant GitHub data is appearing correctly. This integration opens up a whole new level of collaboration, allowing you to pull GitHub issues into your Notion pages, track projects, and manage tasks more effectively, all within a unified workspace. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've integrated Notion with GitHub. This connection can transform how you manage projects and collaborate with others, bridging the gap between planning and execution. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore other integrations to further enhance your productivity.